Imagine you're managing baggage operations at a busy airport. Thousands of bags are moving through conveyor belts, and your responsibility is to make sure every bag reaches the correct flight on time. Everything works smoothly until suddenly the network goes down. We are here working for Swedavia airports, and we have built a resilient baggage operation systems. The challenge. Modern airport baggage systems rely heavily on cloud infrastructure. So, when there are network outages, baggage operations can stop completely. The impact is almost immediate. Flight gets delayed, bags are misplaced, and airport operations becomes chaotic. But some activities are inevitable. Like bags still need to be reassigned to flights, tracked and updated throughout the journey. So these operations must continue even when connectivity fails. For that, we have developed a solution. We designed a resilient baggage operations, an edge first system powered by Couchbase. Instead of relying entirely on the cloud, all operational data is written first to a local edge database at the airport. And here is our architecture, which connects the airport cloud and a local edge database and a sync gateway. The edge database handles real time baggage operations locally, while the sync gateway automatically synchronizes data with the cloud once connectivity is restored, whereas a backend API manages actions like bag assignment and status updates, while the front end dashboard helps airport operator monitor the system live.
Now that we have seen the architecture, let's look how it works in practice. I am logging in as an baggage operation controller at the terminal. Her shift started 10 minutes ago, flight SK1 to London, boards in 90 minutes, and this is her operational screen. At the airport, more than 60,000 bags move through the systems every day, so reliability is critical. We asked ourselves, what if baggage operations could continue even without cloud? Let's play around. Now, here is 20 bags. This one is the KPI for the Edge cloud. Both Edge node and the main cloud are in sync through Sync Gateway. If I generate 5 more bags, in both Edge and cloud it will reflect. But if I put the cloud off and then generate 5 bags, it will just reflect in the Edge and not in the main cloud. Let's see in the cluster. The main shows 25 whereas the Edge shows 30. Coming back here, if we reconnect and the sync gateway is working perfectly and then we execute it here in the cluster, we see it's both 30 and 30. Here just imagine if a airline people cancels a flight and it is cancelled, and then the baggage operational people gets the notifications what they want to do, accept it as it is or do a manual update. Here manual update they would prefer because associated with the airlines are the baggage and they apply a belt number to those baggages for that flight and it gets reflected in the baggage hall itself. Now, if we see down, there is a conveyor screening which shows what is the currently the that's need to be done. If the baggages has been failed, human has to step in and see why baggages has been failed and needs manual interventions. Here is the workstation which shows the security screening, conveyor routing, aircraft loading, and everything that is needed in the baggage system. And the audit page shows whatever a personnel is doing gets recorded over here. Here is our edge first resilience with Couchbase. The airport never stops, airport never sleeps. Even when the connectivity is lost, using edge cloud architecture with Couchbase synchronizations, we can keep on going. This is built by Aparupa, Preetha and Kamali, and with this has also future possibilities which includes AI architecture and RFID incorporation. Thank you.